Adding a payment option to Google Forms requires using a third-party service or integration, as Google Forms does not have a built-in payment feature. Follow these steps. Use Google Forms for basic setup. Create your Google form. Go to Google Forms and start a new form. Add fields to collect the required information, such as name, email, and item details. Integrate the payment platform. To enable payments, integrate a payment gateway like PayPal or Stripe using one of the following methods. Use Google Forms add-ons. In your Google form, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select add-ons. Search for an add-on like FormPay or Payable Forms in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Install the add-on and follow the setup instructions to link your payment gateway. Include the payment link. Create a payment link in your payment platform. Add the link to your Google form as a confirmation message or a hyperlink field. Test the process. Submit a test response to ensure the payment process works as intended. Share your form. Distribute the Google form link to your audience. Responses will now include completed payment information.